Right, question 4. A bus timetable shows the following information. A bus following route T leaves for the train station every 20 minutes. A bus following route A leaves for the airport every 18 minutes. A bus following route T and a bus following route A both leave at 8:37 a.m. When is the next time one of each bus is timetabled to leave at the same time? So this question, at first glance, looks a bit difficult, but really and truly, all you need to find is the lowest common multiple of 20 and 18. Okay? And there's two ways to go about doing this. The first way is basically you have 20, you have 18, and you just keep on going up until you see the first number that is common in both of them. So if we keep on going up, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, and then 18 we've got 36, 54, 74, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, and 180. Okay, funny enough, the first number that you see in both 20 times tables and 18 times tables is 180. So 180 minutes is what we need to add onto 8:37 a.m. Okay, so that's one way of looking at it. Now, another way of getting 180 minutes as your lowest common multiple is to find the prime factors of 20 and 18. Okay, so 20, the prime factors from the factor tree are going to be, so that splits into 10 and 2, and then 5 and 2. So we've got 5, 2, 2. So to get 20, it will be 2 times 2 times 5. And then for 18, it will be 2 and 9, and 3 and 3. So it's 2, 3, and 3. So to get 18, it's 2 times 3 times 3. So what I like to do is I put them one above each other. So we've got 2 times 2 times 5 for the 20, and 2 times 3 times 3. And to get the lowest common multiple, you kind of just, so for instance here, we have 2 and 2 is shown on top and bottom here. So we just put 2, and then we multiply by this 2 here, by this 3 here, by this 3 here, and by this 5. And if you put that in your calculator, because this is a calculator paper, you will also get 180. Okay? Once you have 180 minutes, all you have to do is now add that onto 8:37 a.m. So 180 minutes is basically 3 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 180 divided 60 is 3. So that's 3 hours. Okay, so if you add that onto 8:37, you get 11:37 a.m. And that should be the answer.